Everyone, very good morning to you all. Hopefully you all will be fine and staying at home healthy. Okay, I am your general science teacher of class 4 from PMGHS-II. Okay, dear students, hopefully you all have taken your June task from your school and you all have started your June task in your notebooks. Okay, let's come to our today's lecture. So, dear students, we were on chapter number first, that is characteristics and life process of organisms. So, let's first have a recap of our previous lecture. So, in previous lecture, we have discussed about the classification of plants and biodiversity. So, what was the classification of plants? As I have told you that scientists have classified the plants into two major groups, that is flowering plants and number second is non-flowering plants. And you know very well that flowering plants are those which have flowers and non-flowering plants are those which have no flowers. So this was all about the classification of plants, and the second one is biodiversity. So what was biodiversity? You know very well that biodiversity is the variety of living things or the number of type of living things living at a particular place. So this is called biodiversity. So this was all about your previous lecture recapitulation. Now come towards our today's lecture. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about major body parts, vital organs and their functions. So first have a look on your book page. This is your book page and on this page you have a topic of major body parts, vital organs and their functions. So, students, teeth, bones, lungs, heart, brain, and muscles. All of these are the major body parts of human body. So, we will discuss these body parts one by one, right? So, first have a look on the teeth. This is your book page. Okay. Do you know that teeth are the major body part of human body? Strong, clean, and healthy teeth make us look attractive, and teeth gives shape to your face and enable you to speak clearly, right? And we can chew, we can bite, or we can grind our food with the help of our teeth. And you know that teeth also help in our digestion. Okay, so and now come towards the types of bones, sorry, the types of teeth. So dear students, you all know very well that if you looked at your teeth carefully in a mirror, so you see your teeth in different types. So we have four different types of teeth in our mouth, and they are incisors, canine, premolar, and a molar. So these are the four types of human teeth. Now let's discuss one by one these teeth. Number first is incisor. Okay, look at your front teeth. We use these sharp teeth for cutting and biting our food, and they are called incisors. And we have four incisors in upper jaw and four incisors in lower jaw. As you know that we have two jaws in our mouth. So the upper jaw contain four incisors and also the lower jaw contain four incisors. So we have total 8 incisors, right? Okay, now come towards the second type of your teeth. This is called canine. We have four pointed and sharp teeth next to incisors, and they are two in upper jaw and two in lower jaw. And they help us to tear our food, and they are also called tearing teeth. Now come towards the third one, and that is premolar. Yes, they are located next to the canines, and they are also used to chewing the food or grinding the food. And they are four in numbers in upper jaw and four in numbers in lower jaw. Right? They are four in upper jaw and four in lower jaw. So this was premolars. Now come towards the fourth type, that is molar. Okay, so molars are also called grinding teeth. They have flat surface and they have broad upper surface. They are helpful to grind the food and chewing the food. And they are also six, there are six molar in each jaw. Okay, in upper jaw we have six molar, and also in lower jaw we have six molars. So these are the four different types of teeth. Number first was incisor, number second was canine, number third was premolar, and number fourth was molar. So all of these make our teeth, and we have 32 teeth in our mouth. 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. So 16 plus 16 equal to 32. So we have 32 teeth in our mouth. This was the first major body part of your body. Now come towards the second part of your body. Okay, so dear students, can you guess what I'm going to talk about? Yes, that's right, bones. It's your skeleton. Okay, you have many different types of bones in your body. So let's talk with the head. Okay, this is your head, and the bone of the head is called cranium. And you know the function of this skull or this cranium bone? Okay, I will tell you. It protects the brain. Okay, the skull or the cranium bone contain brain, so it protects our brain. Now the second bone of your body is rib cage. Yes, this is your rib cage, and the rib cage protects your heart and lungs of your body, right? Next one is the bones of arm. The arm consists of large bone called humerus, and also it consists of radius and ulna. This is called radius and ulna. These two bones forms the lower arm, and you have one radius and one ulna in each arm. Okay, you have one radius and one ulna in each arm. Just look at this picture. This is your skeleton. So in this arm we have two parts, that is ulna and radius. And if we look on this arm, similarly we have ulna and radius in this arm. So the function of arm is to lift or is to carry anything or any luggage. Okay, now come towards your palm. This is your palm, and it consists of three lobes of bones. Number first is carpal, number second is metacarpals, and number third is phalanges. So the function of your palm is also to carry anything or to lift anything, or the function of your hand or your palm is to write anything. Okay, now come towards the bone of thigh. This is called the bone of thigh or the thigh bone, and this is also called femur, right? This is also called femur. The femur of the thigh bone is the longest, heaviest, and strongest bone in entire human body, and all of the body weight is supported by the femur. It doing many activities like walking, like jumping, like running, etc. Okay, now come towards the bone of spine. Yes, this is your spinal cord, or you can say that it's your bone of spine. It is on the back of your body. Its function is to give your body structure and support. The next one is hip bone. Yes, its major function is to support weight of the body. This is your hip bone picture, okay? Now come towards the bone of knee joint. This is your knee, and this is the joint of knee bone. So its function is to support your body in sitting and moving. So dear students, all the bones are united with one another at joints, and all of the bones of your body make a frame called skeleton. So this was all about your bones and skeleton. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about your homework. So your homework is to draw, color, and label the diagram of life cycle of sunflower in your neat notebooks. So dear students, as I have told you these questions in the previous lecture, that how do you do this? You have to write the heading of question number 5, then you have to write the question properly, and on the next page you have to make a frame, and in this frame you have to make the diagram of life cycle of sunflower. So first you have to give the heading of life cycle of sunflower, then make this diagram. Okay, so this was all about your today's topic. Now it's time to say goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you.